Hi everyone, Chef PD back again with a super simple recipe for you to try out. Today I want to share with you my Chinese scrambled eggs recipe. Now my mom used to make this for the family back many years ago and it has always been one of my favorites. Please take time to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already. And as always, this recipe is posted down below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's look at the ingredients we need for the dish. We have 4 large eggs. I have half a pound of shrimp, peeled and deveined. I just cut it into small chunks. I have 1 cup of fresh mushroom, diced up. Half cup of green peas. 1/4 cup of onions, diced. You can do more or less. I got half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and 1/8 teaspoon of sesame oil. Okay, and basically we're just gonna marinate the shrimp. And all you need, light soy sauce, and I do like to use the Pearl River Bridge brand. I've had really good success with it. So if you could find that in your grocery store, or I will leave a link down below. You can order it from Amazon. I use it for fried rice and a lot of the marinades I use it for that. And rice wine, just a half a teaspoon. And you're just gonna mix it and let it marinate. You can marinate for a good half hour, that'd be the best. But of course, we're just gonna use it now. Okay, let's begin. Okay, we're just gonna get the heat, the wok heated up. Put about half a tablespoon of oil. I'm gonna put the onions in first. Stir fry for about a minute or so until you get the fragrance out. Slightly browning right about now. Now we're gonna add the shrimp. You're going to stir fry it until it changes color. About a minute or so. Okay, now you add the mushrooms. And now you're gonna add the green peas. We'll let it go for another minute or so. Okay, now it's done. You're just gonna take it out. Now we're gonna wash the wok real quick. We'll be right back. Okay, we're gonna heat up the wok again. Now this time we're gonna crack the eggs here. Just gonna beat it, scramble it really good. Okay, now we turn it to medium. Now you're gonna add salt, sugar, white pepper powder, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Mix it real good. Now we're going to add our oil. About a half a tablespoon or so. Okay, now you don't want to have the flame too high. Medium is all you need. You just go from the side. You're going to move it toward the center. And let this side cook. The idea is to cook the eggs just enough so you don't overcook it and you don't want to burn it. just about done. Got a little bit more here. You're gonna pour this, the rest of the ingredients right inside here. Now you're gonna fold the egg. Okay, that looks good. Turn that off. And this is it right here. So this is the dish I just cooked, and what I like to do is I pair it with something else. Like today, what I want, for dinner, what we're gonna have is Chinese broccoli with beef, and so it's really, you don't want to just have this for dinner. Usually you want to pair it with another vegetable dish. Okay, so let's sample it. Okay, let's take a peek and see how this turned out. Got some shrimp, got some eggs, some mushrooms. Yeah, it's got some onion flavor, and the shrimp is excellent. Very good. I hope you get a chance to try it. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there, and let me know what size and quantity you want, and then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.